Curiosity drives every upgrade in the modern kitchen. From ovens that recognize your food to refrigerators with built-in touchscreens, 2025 has transformed home cooking into a connected, intelligent experience. Here are 25 smart kitchen gadgets chefs love, complete with updated details and prices, each designed to make cooking easier and smarter. Smart AI-enabled ovens and cookers. 1. Agari AI-powered smart oven, $1,000 plus. Unveiled at CES 2025, this oven uses 3D scanning, AI-driven algorithms, and remote temperature sensing to deliver accurate results. It is built for chefs who value precision over trial and error. 2. June Intelligent Oven, starting at $599. The June oven features an internal camera that identifies food and suggests the correct cooking program automatically. It's a countertop tool that reduces guesswork with smart detection. 3. Tavala Smart Oven, $299. This oven scans QR codes on Tavala meal kits and applies ideal cooking settings instantly. It also handles multiple cooking methods, making it more than just a meal kit companion. 4. Drio Chefmaker Combi Fryer, around $359 to $449. The Chefmaker uses a temperature probe and water tank to combine steaming and air frying. This design ensures food is cooked evenly and with consistency every time. 5. Chef IQ Mini Oven, $300+. Compact but powerful, the Chef IQ Mini Oven offers guided recipes through its app. It's perfect for kitchens where space is limited, but precision still matters. 6. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, $350. This countertop oven delivers 13 cooking functions, including air frying, roasting, and dehydrating. Breville's Element IQ technology adapts heat for different foods automatically. 7. Breville Smart Oven Pro BOV845BSS, $270. Equipped with a large LCD screen and straightforward controls, this oven simplifies baking and toasting. It's a popular option for home cooks who want dependable results. 8. Kosori Smart 5.8-quart Air Fryer, $100 to $140. The Kosori Smart Air Fryer pairs with voice assistance and its app for customizable cooking. It offers presets that make crisp, fast meals more straightforward. 9. Instant Pot Pro Plus, $169+. This Wi-Fi connected Instant Pot allows remote monitoring and access to recipes. It combines multiple cooking functions into one device, saving time and counter space. 10 iDevices Instant Pot Smart Wi-Fi, $150+. Similar to the Pro Plus, this connected Instant Pot allows full control through a smartphone. It is designed for households that rely on remote cooking convenience. 11. GE Profile Smart Refrigerator, $2,700 to $6,000+. This refrigerator includes internal cameras, AI-based grocery tracking, and voice assistant compatibility. It helps households monitor and manage food storage more intelligently. 12. Samsung Family Hub Refrigerator, starting at $2,700. The Family Hub includes a large touchscreen for calendars, recipes, and even music streaming. It turns the fridge into a multitasking hub for families. Smart beverage and water gadgets. 13X Bloom Studio Smart Coffee Maker, $500. The X Bloom Studio focuses on pour-over brewing with built-in scale and grinder. With precise controls and recipe customization, it suits serious coffee enthusiasts. 14. Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug, $100 to $150. This app-controlled mug keeps drinks at a chosen temperature for hours. It is built for those who prefer sipping slowly without losing heat. 15. Ecozy Smart Nugget Ice Maker, $189. Designed for nugget ice fans, this device creates chewable ice on demand. Controlled by app or voice command, it's convenient for entertaining. 16. NutriBullet Balance Smart Blender, $100 to $150. Through Bluetooth, this blender syncs with an app to display nutritional values in real time. It helps users track calories and nutrients directly while blending. 17. Vitamix A3500 Smart Blender, $600+. The Vitamix A3500 includes touchscreen controls and Wi-Fi connectivity with 5 blending programs. It delivers professional-grade blending for home kitchens. 18. Govee Smart Electric Kettle, $65. The Govee Smart Electric Kettle is a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth-enabled gooseneck kettle with app and voice control. It heats 0.8 liters of water rapidly with 1,200 watts power and precise temperature control from 104 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Features include 4 presets, a 2-hour keep warm function, a rapid boil alert, and safety protections like auto shutoff and boil dry protection. Its stainless steel body and gooseneck spout ensure precise, safe pouring. Smart food prep and tools. 19. Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker, $100 to $200. This Wi-Fi-enabled immersion circulator provides sous vide cooking with precise temperature control. It ensures restaurant-quality cooking at home with minimal effort. 20. Meter Plus Wireless Smart Meat Thermometer, $99. The Meter Plus is fully wireless and app-controlled, tracking internal and ambient temperatures. It estimates cooking times, which helps prevent overcooking. 21. Smart Food Scale, $25 to $100. Brands like Uni and Etexity offer smart scales that sync with apps to track nutrition. They measure ingredients accurately, assisting with calorie monitoring and recipes. 22. Smart Vacuum Sealer, $100 to $200. Garrion and other brands provide smart vacuum sealers to extend food freshness. More advanced models integrate with apps for easy storage tracking. Smart kitchen helpers and accessories. 23. Echo Show 15, $279. The Echo Show 15 features a large display that serves as a recipe guide and smart home control hub. You can ask it for recipes using specific ingredients or explore Amazon meal kits and a wide variety of recipes from other sources. It also helps manage timers, shopping lists, and other connected devices, making it a versatile assistant for cooking and kitchen organization. 24. Kirin Electric Salt Spoon, $100+. The Kirin Electric Salt Spoon uses electrical pulses to enhance saltiness, offering adjustable intensity for low-sodium diets. Launched in May 2024 and recently upgraded, it features a smaller tip, improved usability, and dishwasher compatibility. Kirin also introduced the Electric Salt Cup to provide an alternative format for soups and beverages, both designed to boost flavor and umami while supporting healthier, low-sodium eating habits. 25. Etexity Smart Food Kitchen Scale, $25 to $45. The Etexity Smart Food Kitchen Scale is a compact, durable stainless steel device designed for precise food measurement. It connects seamlessly with the VSync app, pulling detailed nutritional information from the Nutritionix database. Additionally, it integrates with Apple Health and Fitbit, allowing you to track your dietary intake effortlessly. In the US, it also features a barcode scanner for quick logging of packaged foods, making meal tracking simple and accurate. Smart kitchen gadgets have become more than convenience items. They now define how food is prepared and managed. From AI ovens like the Agari Smart Oven to affordable helpers like the Etexity Food Scale, the range covers every kind of cooking style and budget. Each device combines function with technology, proving the kitchen is one of the most rapidly evolving spaces in the home. Which of these 25 smart gadgets would you add to your kitchen first? Let us know your thoughts in the comments and share how technology is shaping the way you cook.